Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create this beautiful, natural, and flawless look using the Beauty Counter Flawless in 5 collection. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start with is the foundation. So I use the Tint Skin Hydrating one. And you can use like a foundation brush if you want to, or your fingers. I like to use one of these little guys. So I'm just gonna open it up. Put like a little squirt. And then I go forehead, center of my face, and then the outers. I'm gonna do a little bit more. Outers. So I work the outside. Step 2, concealer. So that's what it looks like. I have the dark one because I'm dark skin. So I do like a couple of quick strokes underneath each eye, so it looks like that. And then I like to use a concealer brush, and then I just blend everything in. Now another thing that you can do is if you want, you can use this next step is eyebrows. So this is what the eyebrow picture pencil looks like. I actually use mine, so mine is teeny tiny right now. So first, just kind of smooth out your brows. This is the dark brown one. And then I outline. I'm looking at my phone right now instead of my mirror, but you know, it's cool. Good old mascara. So this is the volumizing one. You can choose between lengthening or volumizing. Couple of good strokes. Okay. Hair is in the way, you know, bangs problems. Next, blush. So mine is raspberry. And I just take my little brush, get a little bit, smile, get your cheeks, other side. Cool. And then I wipe it off. Do a little wipey. And then I just blend. And you can kind of blend it in more. Final step, lip gloss. Now, if you're like me, I actually add an extra thing. So I use the Beauty Counter eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And I just do the corners. I like to do a little cat eye. Sweet. Our look is done. So, flawless in 5 minutes, all set.